channel. Today we're gonna open Shopkins.
Okay, this is Shopkins Season 8, right?
Did we just have this?
World Vacation.
I thought I had it. I had it. No, it's...
Show us the box. Show us the pack. Okay.
You mean this?
Yeah.
Do you want to open it, guys?
We got a 5-pack of Shopkins, right? Okay.
Can I open it?
With a hidden...
Can I open it?
Sure, of course.
You guys try to open it. It's pretty easy. I think I got a same cake but different color cake. I just got one dress. Another vacation. Good. It's this hat. It's sticky. It's thick. Oh, this is like a ball. I see the face, guys. Do you see the face? I think it's lettuce. Oh, it's a cupcake. I got the one from the burger. I'm having trouble taking these Shopkins out.
You need some help. If you want help, raise your hand.
What? Are you serious? What is these? With a hat? Captain House will poop on his head. And he has gone to a dog. And put your clothes. Daddy, cameraman, do you know how to get your clothes wrapped? You need to first do like this, close this, like this, and then this, and this. Done! Okay, here's Cupcake Girl. I think it's Cupcake. Bag, a dress, and one cake.
Okay, the first yellow one, I guess.
This one, you mean?
Yes, let me see the fire. Let's check it. This is the fire.
Flyer.
And the first one
see
is
it already.
summer beach bag from Aussie Adventure.
What about this one, the cupcake?
This is a Japanese journey. Kyoko cupcake.
What about this one?
This one is
Is this?
Danka dress from Chinese travelers.
I am Chinese New Year girl. I was wearing that girl.
And this one is what?
This is the grand finale.
I get this one is Sakura cake.
Again.
Yeah, a different version. They got different Sakura cake. How about the last one? Can I see the last one?
The last one is another cupcake. I forgot to show you the last one. This one's so tasty.
This one maybe... Oh, I really don't know.
Do you see it anywhere?
Maybe watery. No, it's not watery cupcakes. Anyway.
Not watery. No, Daddy.
Oh, sumo snow ice, maybe.
Snow ice. No, thank you. Let me see the box.
Yeah, the sumo. This one.
Let me even snow ice.
Well, anyway.
Let me.
Okay, let's have a close up.
Oh,
You lie down?
yes. Does it look like a dress that you put all around your shopkin? Do you know how to hide your flat shopkin? You just have to put
Oh, I found it. This is a Mia Sundae.
See, it's not even crushed.
Okay.
It's not even a cake or a snow cone. Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.